Friends, you must have seen many anime reels like this on Instagram, which are currently getting more than 5 million views. And the fun thing is, you too can create such reels in just a few minutes, and that too by using free tools, and earn money from this. We can create such reels by following 3 simple steps. Asterisk prompt, asterisk text to image, asterisk image to video. So, first let's talk about the prompt. To write the prompt, we will use ChatGPT. A prompt is a type of command that we give to AI tools, and accordingly, it generates our image. The more accurate and detailed your prompt is, the more perfect image it will generate for you. In this, you have to write everything that you want in an image, such as a girl, a small girl, big eyes, short hair, what she is wearing, how she is standing, what the background is, what color dress she has worn, what is the color of the sky, are there clouds, birds, how are the trees, what kind of theme do you want, like an anime theme, and you can also describe the types of images. I will write down all the prompts that I have used in the description box below, which you can copy and also get an idea of what prompts are like and how we generally write them. Now let's talk about text to image. For text to image generation, we will use ChatGPT. Whatever prompt you have written, you will give it to ChatGPT, and based on that, it will generate a great image for you. Your image will be generated in just a few minutes, and after that, you go to the download button and save the image. Now let's talk about image to video generation. For this, you have to open this website on your phone, and first, log in with your Google account. Now, in the given image box, you have to put the generated image, and in the prompt box given below, you have to write the prompt. This time, you have to generate a video, so you will have to write the prompt accordingly. What you want in the video, you have to write the prompt according to the type of video you want to create. Again, I will give you my prompts in the description, from which you will get an idea of how we write and use prompts for video generation. Now simply click on the pink button given below, and your video will be generated in about 5 to 10 minutes, and then simply download that video. Now, put some good music that is trending on the generated video, and your Instagram reel is ready. Please do not forget to like it and share it among your friends, so they can also generate this type of reel. And to watch more such videos, do subscribe to my channel.